The Porsche Taycan has always been a benchmark for electric performance, but for 2027, Porsche is looking to bridge the gap between EV efficiency and traditional combustion engine engagement. The headline news for this latest update is the introduction of a new E-Shift virtual gear system. Likely inspired by the success of performance EVs like the Hyundai Ioniq 5N, this feature aims to create a more intense, visceral connection between the driver and the machine. By simply pressing a dedicated blue button on the steering wheel, the Taycan simulates an 8-speed transmission. It doesn't just mimic the gear changes. It introduces noticeable shift jerks and a drag torque system that replicates the engine braking feel we've all come to expect from petrol-powered sports cars. Complete with a virtual rev counter on the screen and paddle shifters behind the wheel, Porsche is giving drivers the ability to manually shift their electric powertrain. Beyond this shift in character, the interior experience has been overhauled with the new Porsche Digital Interaction software. Expect a cleaner, more minimalist layout with dynamic animations and a high-resolution, rotatable 3D model of your specific car used to manage settings. Porsche has also integrated an AI-powered voice assistant and expanded third-party app support, making the cabin feel more like a modern, connected hub than ever before. Performance-focused buyers aren't being left behind either. The top-tier Turbo GT receives an optional Manthey Kit, marking the first time such an upgrade has been available on a Porsche EV. This package adds an adjustable rear wing, lightweight wheels with high-performance Pirelli rubber, and beefed-up brakes. The drivetrain itself has been tweaked, with the Turbo GT now boasting higher maximum discharge current and increased power outputs, including a boost to 730 kilowatts in attack mode. Finally, even the more practical aspects of the Taycan have been refined. There is a faster 25-watt wireless charging pad, and for European buyers of the rear-wheel drive model, new low rolling resistance tires push the WLTP range to over 700 kilometers. With these changes, Porsche is proving that going electric doesn't mean giving up the tactile, engaging soul of a true sports car. Whether you want the absolute cutting edge of range or the simulated thrill of a manual gearbox, the 2027 Taycan continues to set the pace.